WeWeb versus Plasmic. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're comparing two powerful no-code front-end development platforms, WeWeb and Plasmic. Whether you're a designer, developer, or entrepreneur looking to build a scalable web app without diving deep into code, let's break this down and I'll help you figure out which tool is best for your project. Let's dive in. WeWeb. It is best for flexible front-end development with seamless integrations. First, intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Build visually stunning front ends without touching code. Robust API integrations. Connect with backend services like Exano, Airtable, or custom APIs. Third, it has a custom code expert. Allows you to export clean code for advanced customization. With responsive design tools, which build mobile-friendly apps with ease. But it is higher pricing tiers. Can be expensive for solo developers and small teams. Learning curve for advanced features. Requires time to master workflows and integrations, but it is best for developers and entrepreneurs looking for high, flexible front-end builder with strong API integrations and code export options. On the other hand, Plasmic is best for design first, code-ready components. First, it has the advanced design tool with pixel-perfect design capabilities that rival Figma with real-time responsiveness. Two is the code integration. It integrates directly with a framework like React, Next.js, and Vue for a developer-friendly experience. Third, reusable components. Build and maintain consistent UI components across multiple projects. And the fourth is the CMS and headless integrations. Easily connects with headless CMS platforms like Sanity and Contentful, but it requires development into full potential. Best suited for teams that mix design and development. Second is limited no-code logic. Unlike WeWeb, logic and workflows typically require custom coding, but it is still best for design-focused teams and development who need a flexible tool for creating stunning UI components with seamless code integrations for React and other frameworks. Without further ado, let's dive into our final verdict. Use WeWeb if you're building a fully functional API-driven web app with complex logic, workflows, and need a platform that offers solid no-code features with code expert option. On the other hand, use Plasmic if you're focused on creating beautiful designed UI components, integrating directly with developer frameworks, and working with headless CMS platforms for content-rich experience. Now, which platform are you thinking of using for your next project? Let me know thoughts in the comments. I hope this comparison helped clear up the differences between WeWeb and Plasmic. If it did not, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into no-code and front-end development tools. Catch you into the next video.